how to use interlibrary loan, or ILLiad, at MSU libraries. Interlibrary loan is the borrowing of materials not found within the MSU library's collection. Materials you can request include books, book chapters, microfilm, as well as journal articles, conference papers, and standards documents. To access interlibrary loan, first go to the library homepage, library.msstate.edu. Click on the My Accounts drop-down menu and select ILLiad. Faculty, staff, students, as well as retired faculty and staff of MSU can access their account by logging in with a NetID and password. If this is your first time using the interlibrary loan system, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Please fill in all required fields. They are highlighted in red. It's important to take care when selecting your site. Make sure you select the correct classification for yourself under Site, which is a required field. Make sure that if you are a distance education student or faculty or staff, select distance education from the list so that we can mail you any physical items. Once you have completed all required fields, this includes a valid mailing address for everyone, click the Submit Information button at the bottom of your screen. Once you have registered your profile information, you are ready to use the system. If an item that you need is not available in the MSU Library's collection, you can begin your ILL request by clicking on the New Request drop-down menu on the home page. Then select the appropriate item from the list. Be sure to fill in all the required boxes for the form that are noted in red. Don't forget to finalize your request at the bottom of the screen with the Submit Request button. At any time, you can see the status of your requested items on the main page. Whenever possible, a scanned electronic copy of your requested items will be sent to your interlibrary loan account. Any items delivered electronically should be available within 1 to 2 business days. You can view those items from the ILLiad homepage under Electronically Received Articles. You can also check the status of any other ILL request under Outstanding Requests. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials at library.msstate.edu/tutorials. Finally, for additional help with interlibrary loan services, please contact Access and Information by phone at 662-325-7678 or by email at access@library.msstate.edu.